Hey, you guys, we have a really small feature, but I wanted to show you. It's actually two quick features I wanted to show you. Our bulk queue editor just got a little better. So the first thing that we added to it is the ability to bulk hold posts for approval. So let's say you just posted several different posts, all three of these, and you realize, you know what, I actually want this to go to my client. What you could do is click on bulk queue editor, and you can select all posts. So all three of these, for example, it tells you that three posts are selected. And what I want to do with these is hold them for approval. Now it's going to ask me which user. So I can have an agency employee or a client, whichever one I want. I can have it held for that particular user. And what will happen is let me do it. It's going to actually hold these. You got to click it twice to confirm. Now all of these posts are held for approval. What it also did was it shot an email to that agency employee letting him know that new posts have been held for his approval. So the other thing we added is also in the bulk queue editor, and it is the ability to filter for posting assistant posts. So if you are an Agency Pro subscriber, listen up. You know how you can set up multiple automated post sets to go out automatically for certain ones of your clients. So if they bought like a realtor pricing plan, you can send realtor posts automatically without having to lift a finger. Well, let's say somebody bought your realty pack and all the posts went into all of those different places within the queue, and you realize that you want to delete those. Maybe your VA accidentally did it manually into a workspace, and you actually realize that, okay, now we have duplicates because the automated one also went out. So what you can do is filter for posts added by your agency. So we did this with, client-friendly language. So if you have like a pricing plan where they're actually using the software and you guys provide services, the reason we worded it this way is basically that way when they're reading this, they can actually filter by posts added by you guys. And not only can they filter by that, but they can even filter by which group of posts. So remember, you've got automated post sets that you can name. And this is one of the reasons we do that. So these are the March posts. So if I had 5 different automated post sets set up, like one for real estate, another one for our crochet industry niche, then all of those would be listed here. And I could select only the ones that pertain to that particular group of posts. Now it's got 2 of the posts selected, and I can go ahead and delete those. I can do any one of these functions. So let me go ahead and delete those. Now I'm left with only one. That's it, guys. I hope that makes your life a little bit easier as you manage your massive queues and your massive list of clients that is hopefully ever growing. Reach out to us in chat if you guys have any questions. Thanks a lot.